Okay, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the live trading room. Today is Friday, June 5th, 2026. Let's go over to the live trading room. So, had an amazing day yesterday. Had regular trades, was up about 110, and then we went through this. This is kind of funny. We went through this consolidation period here that lasted. In fact, we got off a few minutes early, and then as soon as we did, it broke out like this. And I went and took this trade for plus 96, ended up with four trades for plus 207 yesterday, just based on that one last trade. That thing just shot up after staying in consolidation for so long. And you can see it was trying to breach the supply zone and couldn't, and finally did. And when it did, it just kept going. Look at all these consecutive green candles that went up. Um, so amazing last trade. I hope a bunch of you stayed on, and I hope you guys caught that trade. So that was yesterday. Let me get my moving tool here. Move this down. So Q closed last night at 740.35 and it's sitting at 729.67. We've been moving down overnights here last couple of nights and we've got a gap play and the gap fill and trigger will be 732.62. 732.62 gap. So if we get a call, if a price moves up past the trigger and fill at 760, 732.62, we'll have a call trade in there, but not during the first 5 minutes. So let's move up to real time. There we go. Let's head over to the option chain. We've got a whopping 2.6 million already traded in pre-market volume, and I've got to recenter my option chain because it's way the heck off. There we go. And prices are way out of balance right now, so we're obviously not going to pay $17.72 at six spots into the money. So we'll wait for we till we get this pre-market volume built in into the strike pricing before we select some strike pricing. We are trading today, of course, June 5th, and today is a Friday. We're gonna make it a good Friday. Anyway, good morning, Keith. You out there?
Yep, I am. Good morning, everybody. Well, I did a whopping one trade yesterday. Um, I was not able to trade in the afternoon. I was away from my computer. I saw that later and said, "Oh my gosh, too bad I missed that." But anyway, one trade up $1.07 though on it, so very good trade there. It's been a great week for me here so far. And this morning we had a number of announcements coming in. Average hourly earnings were as anticipated, no difference there. Weekly hours, again, as anticipated. Labor force participation, same as last replay reported. And then the non-farm payroll just blew it. It was like a factor of two off from what they were expecting. So on the positive side, so really huge number there. And the other two underemployment reports came out as anticipated. No 10 o'clock reports today, no other reports today, no Fed members speaking today, no bond auction today. But so we'll see what happens trading today. I will be trading this week's or this month's expiration and go from there.
Okay, thank you, sir. Yeah, you had to wait a while on that trade yesterday, but it came through. Oh my goodness, we're already in. Boy, that snuck up on us. Thought we had another minute, but apparently not. Anyway, we are in and waiting on the broader markets to report. We've got the Dow is up by 25, Nas is down by 300, and S&P is down by 48. So, red markets as far as we're concerned. And we got price trying to go down here. Let's see where there's our 5 minute MACD and our 1 minute MACD is there. Both of them are in the put bias position. Price declining the first minute. Price rebounding back up. Wow, really pushing up, heading toward VWAP. And price beginning to come down a bit. It did cross VWAP just for a little bit at the end of that last minute. Great volume so far. Price kind of pausing here a little bit.
Tim, was yesterday's gain probably the most you've ever had?
I think I've had a better day, one or two better days, but that was definitely up in the top 10.
Yeah, yeah. No, that's great.
Yeah, it was just a little present that happened at the end. After all that consolidation, it didn't look like we were going to go anywhere. And in fact, I released the room a couple minutes early. And
Yeah, I know I left early because it didn't look like it was going to go anywhere.
yeah, yeah, I was just expecting it to stay in consolidation for a while. And then it just took off. All that pent up demand was finally released. Although, the longer the consolidation, usually the better the breakout is after that consolidation period. Got price coming down. Price backing up a little bit. Have our 1 minute MACD did cross over into the call side, is curling over again. So let's go over to the option chain, take a look at what we've got here. So I will be at the 726. No, strike that. 727 on the call side and the 733 on the put side. I like to stay near a 70 delta.
I'm going to put a pseudo supply zone at the top of that first 5 minute candle. I mean, yeah,
Yeah, probably gonna end up being real anyway.
yeah. Maybe looking at the 732 on the put side, possibly here.
Okay. Yeah, I'll go with the 732 as well on the put side.
And now let me try to get in on this.
All right, stand by on the 732 as well.
And at 12:43,
I'm going to go ahead and jump in. I'm in. 405. Stand by to take some profit here. We'll go ahead and take some profit here. Out at 474. Wow. 405 to 474.
that's quite a gift.
Yeah, that was. I caught it just as it tipped down.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
That's also the high penny that that option got to.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
474. Probably had to reach up to get you.
Yeah.
And while I'm on the line, that 96 cents you got yesterday afternoon, could you not have squeaked out four more pennies? I mean, really.
I guess I could have. I thought it was enough, but you're
Did
right,
did
Larry.
you check to see if you left any on the table?
I did. I did. There was a few crumbs left.
I knew it. Okay. Still pretty good.
All right, I'm going to go back to the 732 on the put side. I'm going to re-enter this 732. I'm back in. And I'm going to take a little more profit here. Out at 509, 485 to 509. All right. Guess we're going to keep going here. I'm going to head over to the 731 on the put side.
I've got a close order in here, see if it's going to fill. And it did.
All right.
1243 to 1353, $1.10.
Nice.
I was going to close it out just a little bit earlier, but Larry's voice came and says, couldn't you push that past $1?
Happy to be of help.
Price is still dropping.
Yeah, it looked like the MACDs were getting pretty darn low, though, and they were starting to have some problems getting past the 727, 728 kind of range there. And
Yeah.
said, let me take profit.
Yep. Okay, so we've got Dow is down by 136, Nas down by 395, S&P down by 71. Pretty red markets on the broader indices. We've got 7,315,000 traded on the underlying. Good volume. Everything is above 100,000, considerably above 100,000. So good price movement this morning. Nice long candles. Very little, very little reversal in this whole sell-off here. Just a classic sell-off. Oh, I gotta finish. What did I do on that? Let's move that. Let's put that in. Way down here. Okay. Man, just a monster sell-off this morning.
Yeah, look at that, will you?
Price still hasn't found a bottom yet. Continue to go. Nas now down by 434. S&P down by 75. Dow down by 150. 8,469,000 traded on the underlying asset.
Well, I would have been $2 up if I'd have stayed in that.
Yeah.
But
Oh, well, you'll have to settle for a buck 10.
yeah, yeah.
I'm sorry.
Well, some days are like that, I guess.
Uh, yeah, see if we've reached the bottom here. I'm gonna reset my option chain. It's fallen off the page. There we go. And I'll keep an eye on the 723 on the call side in case this turns and starts coming up. See if we're going to go into a little bit of consolidation here at the bottom. Price trying to climb here a bit. Starting to climb.
We can put a true demand zone in down there too.
Yes, we can.
Got the Dow's down 150. Um, NASDAQ is down 442, and S&P's down 76, and 10.4 million underlying traded on the Qs.
Okay.
Looks like still a lot of people are trying to get out at the tech stocks
Mm-hmm.
back into the Dow.
Yeah.
Figured that was going to happen at some point in time, just didn't know when.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's price breaking through the demand zone. Continuing down. Less than a minute from the pop at the top. Not expecting much for the pop this today. 1 minute MACD crossed over the call side and is recrossed back, reset back to the put side. Wow,
Popping down and some more.
indeed.
Somebody's bought some big warehouses.
Really filling up those warehouses.
Yeah. Mm.
Price reversing here a little bit. See if this lasts. Not looking good. All right. Well, we're in the pop. No, we're not. We're past the pop. A lot of volume, but that's about it on the pop. Not a lot of price movement. Getting a bit of a reversal now. See if we're just going to go through another consolidation phase. So the market makers filled all their warehouses up with that big, big sell-off. Now they'd like to start getting rid of those positions. Here goes price heading back down again. Man, it's like an unstoppable train.
Certainly see that more when it's selling off than it does climbing.
Mm-hmm.
Guess we could move that demand zone down some more.
Yes, we can. into more consolidation. Remember, how price moves from consolidation to breakout to consolidation to breakout. That previous demand zone into a minor zone now. Price on the rise again. Nas is down 455 now. S&P down 72. Dow's down 80. At the 5 minute, starting to converge. 1 minute already crossed over into the call bias position. Got just a couple of minutes just below 100,000. Not very much below, but just below.
No. Hey, Tim.
Yes.
I guess the in the other app, Robinhood, there is a 1 minute lag between Think and Swim and Robinhood. So that is showing 1 minute ahead, but Think and Swim is showing 1 minute low. I was like
Behind.
curious. Yeah, behind. Is that something like that?
Yeah, I see it as well. I'm not sure what's going on there.
Hmm. Just send a picture to you.
All right, I'm gonna take a look at or go to the 722 on the call side.
bouncing off that intermediate zone.
Yeah. Price heading back down again.
But it's already up in Think and Swim.
What's that?
In Think and Swim app, it is already going up.
Huh. Keith, is your chart lagging behind at all?
Which one are you talking about?
The 1 minute chart,
Mine's nuts.
yours is nuts?
It's nuts. It's not even close.
Really?
No.
Yeah, it doesn't agree with E-Trade either.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, it looks like it's behind by almost 2 minutes, minute and a half.
Yeah. Yeah. What the heck?
I'm gonna log back out and log back in.
Okay.
I must concur. It doesn't agree with my trading view either.
Okay. Huh.
Because I got in that call and my activity and position statement showed me to be it kept going up, 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 and showed me to be down $500 or $600.
Oh, that's weird.
I'm looking at the candles, the green candles going up, and it's showing me to be almost $1 down.
Oh,
It
what?
just caught up.
Uh-huh.
I mean, it gave me the profit that it looked like I should get. So I guess I'm okay. But I mean,
Oh, what the heck?
I don't need that kind of wear and tear on my heart.
Yeah. The heck, Thinkorswim? What are you doing?
It's the second time this week it's
Yeah.
gone berserk.
To make better profit on their side.
Yeah, after rebooting, it's still behind.
Okay.
I'll call them up, see what's going on.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, 'cause I'd like to be in this call trade.
I've been sitting there waiting on that call for
Well,
30
it's
minutes.
been retreating on E-Trade.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
I got in that call at 10:10,
Uh-huh.
and
You should be way up.
I looked around and I was down. It showed me to be down almost $1.
Uh-huh.
But I'm looking at the green candles on the chart, and
Yeah.
that isn't the way it's supposed to work.
No.
It finally caught up. I got well, it only gave me 32 cents.
Huh.
Yeah, let's see, that should have been more than that.
Yeah.
But at least I'm out, I guess, with some profit while they're being funky over there.
Yeah. Still climbing.
It's falling down.
Still on hold, waiting to talk to someone.
Okay. Yeah, we got price coming down now, I think. So price got near the minor zone, bouncing up again. One minute MACD is crossed over into the put bias position, but may not stay there long.
Just joined the daily dollar club with that push down there. Got a dollar one profit, so happy Friday.
Nice. Price coming through the minor zone.
Well, believe it or not, they're aware of the situation and they're looking to fix it. It isn't all the symbols, but a number of the symbols that are running
Okay.
behind. So they're working on it, but no solution yet.
Okay. Thank you for checking on that.
Yep.
Now, you'll excuse me for 1 minute. I'll be right back.
Well, just for your information, it looks like the Charles Schwab charting platform is also running almost 2 minutes behind. So it looks like it's more than just think or swim.
Okay, I'm back.
So Keith, they don't have it fixed yet.
No.
So we're just kind of flying blind trying to get into something.
Yeah, I'm not going to get anything till this is resolved.
No, that's way too dangerous for me.
Yeah, I agree.
I
We,
just call. I just called. What they're saying is Thinkorswim application having issues. They are trying to fix it, but users can log into Charles Web and from the browser they can do that. So browser is up to date. That's what they're saying.
Oh,
Yeah, I looked at the Charles Schwab charts and it looks like it's running a minute and a half or a minute and 50 seconds behind also.
Oh, okay.
But it's not on
That
all the symbols, just on some of them.
hmm.
I don't think that works for me.
Well, let's hope they get this fixed soon.
It looks like even the charts on my mobile device are whacked up for Thinkorswim.
Yeah, I noticed that as well.
Well, I think we were fortunate to get the trader trades we've already had today in.
Yeah.
So, assuming I do no more trades today, I'm up $5.15 for the week. So, been a very good week.
All right. Very nice. Price rising here. So my charts look to be about a minute and a half behind at this point.
Yeah, mine look like they're more like a minute 50 behind on mine.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and it looks like there's just been lots of good tradable moments in here too.
It was the same way on Monday when things were frozen.
Mm-hmm. Goes price plummeting again.
Well, Tim, I think I'm gonna pack it in for the day here. And then
Okay.
a little bit more carving, and then heading down to my daughter's for a musical performance tonight. So
No, that sounds like fun.
yeah, yeah. So
Yeah, I love
yeah,
those dragons, man. Those are very cool.
thanks. Yeah, working on it. Anxious to get the full body finished carving so I can add the details of the scales and everything on it. So,
Yeah.
but yeah, it's coming along.
Okay. All right. Well, you have a great weekend.
All right, same. Have a good weekend, everybody. We'll be back on Monday.
Okay. Take care. Hmm. Nope, went to 43. Now my charts are just about 22 seconds behind. Price pausing here a little bit. And well, guys, I'm not sure there's much point in staying with these charts or continuing since the charts are off by mine are off by a minute and a half or so. So I'm going to give them a couple more minutes, see if they fix this. If not, we're going to wrap it up early today and not waste anyone's time. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up for this morning. This is disappointing with Thinkorswim. I guess it happens, but still, it's disappointing. But I'm going to wrap it up. We will see you all Monday. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. And Harry, I'll give you a call. Okay. All right, guys. Have a great weekend. I will see you all Monday.
Okay, bye.